So this video is a combination of physical science and chemistry. So if you're in the chemistry course and you're looking at this video, just skip right to the 1 minute 30 seconds mark. So for physical science, we really only have one day of class this week. So show up to class, that should be the first step. But for some reason you can't, first thing to do is watch this video and submit this physical and chemical changes in properties worksheet. Remember, since it's titled worksheet, you can take it as many times as you want to. Then you're going to download the Melting Point Boiling Point Lab and then watch this lab link to get the information. So when you look at the lab, a couple things to point out is that all you're really doing here is following out the steps, fill out the data table, so you're answering these hypotheses to the best of your ability, and then you'll get this information, the temp that it actually was melting at, boiling at, for these 5 things, and then you're answering some post-lab questions, and then you're building a bar graph here, and then you're going to upload that to Schoology, to the Melting Point and Boiling Point Lab. Okay, so that's all we're doing. Now we're looking at chemistry. So if you're physical science, you can be done. Okay, chemistry. Hopefully you hopped in here. So Monday and Tuesday, we only got one day this week. You guys are Monday. So really, we're going over this diversity of hydrocarbons note sheet together, which you should do with me. But if for some reason you're not, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link to watch this video and you download the PDF. I'll double check that that works, but if it doesn't, then you can just look at it in YouTube link. As you go throughout the video, they're going to show you like a structure. And they'll explain what R here. R means rest of a carbon chain. So we have all these functional groups is what it's called today. Alcohols, aldehydes, and so forth. As you can see, we have new elements being introduced. Oxygens and nitrogens specifically. Really, each of them, we're not going to have to do a lot of identifying or drawing or naming or anything like that. But really what you're going to do is you're going to fill out this column, what it looks like chemically. Then you're going to review the definition and then draw a picture and what it's used for. So really, this is more of a vocab piece. You're not going to have to do a lot of it. And then you have some vocab matching here at the end, and then you're going to identify 3 compounds. And that's really all you're doing today. And then this will get uploaded. Sorry, not uploaded, but you're going to use it to answer this Unit 2 entry through worksheet. And that's it. Have a great day.